Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description, and I will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is the Roku Express 4K Plus. So out of the Roku line, this is more on the lower end, just doesn't have some of the features of the other ones, and we're going to cover all those in this video and explain basically what are you getting with this particular device versus some of the others. So first off, that's the box that it comes in once it arrives. Once it opens up, you are naturally going to get a USB to USB Type A charging cable here. You're also going to get a little HDMI cord to connect it to your TV. It is going to include an instruction manual, so that way you know how to hook it up. Once again, pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to cover that right here in the video. Now, you are going to get a little brick adapter to plug into the wall so you can power it up with the little cable here. Then you're also going to get this nice little sticky pad, which you can put on the bottom of the device. It goes right here in this spot. So that way you can attach this to the back of your TV if you wish. You don't have to. You can also put it on a shelf, or you can just set it and not use the sticky. It's kind of up to you. You are going to get the device itself and then the remote control. So as you can see, the device is nice and tiny. It has just their logo at the top. On the front, this is where you're going to point the remote to. On the back, you have the HDMI plug, you have the power button, and then you have a reset button. So plug in the power, plug in the HDMI, only hit the reset if you ever need to get it back to its factory settings. Very, very easy to utilize, very nice and compact, and blends in really well with a black TV. Now, the remote control itself is the standard Roku layout. So if you don't have one, you have 4 quick buttons down here at the bottom that will take you directly to those streaming apps. You also have your play and your pause button, forward, and all that in the center. There is a microphone right in the middle of the remote. You can press that, and so you can sit there and say, I want to watch XYZ TV show, and it'll automatically pull that up for you, which is just a nice feature. It also shows you the different apps. If you're wanting to watch a certain movie, it'll show you what apps that movie is available and whether it costs and all that kind of stuff. Very, very useful tool. You have the arrow button, so that way you can navigate all the different apps. You have your home button, your power button, and your back button. So this thing, when you do turn it on most TVs, it will also automatically turn on the TV. So it's kind of a one remote setup. You just have to have this guy turn it on, and it will automatically turn on your TV, which is a really nice feature. Like I said, it works on most of those. On the side here, it has quick volume buttons and the mute button if somebody walks in or whatnot. So how is the Roku Express 4K Plus different from the other one? So the 4K Plus basically has just that versus the regular Express. It's going to support 4K, and it's also going to support HDR color. So if your TV can do 4K or HDR color, this is the guy to get. If that doesn't matter to you and you only want that 1080p HD, you can get just the standard Express. Now, if you want things like Adobe Atmos or you want Adobe Vision, then they have other ones that are more of an upgrade that have those. So it kind of depends on your TV setup depending on which device. So this is like the lower end version. The ones that are a little bit more expensive have a lot more features. Also, the different ones, like if you got the Ultra or whatnot, those usually have a remote finder. So if you lose the remote, you can find that. This does not have a remote finder built into it. The Wi-Fi works great, but the other ones do have a little bit longer Wi-Fi range on them. But unless you're not really close to your router or something like this one should work perfectly for you. But overall, it's a great little device. Like I said, it has a ton of streaming apps. They have a ton of content that you can just watch on there. It also has something called guest mode, which is really, really cool. So if you go on, like you have a guest bedroom and people are coming over, you can put it on guest mode and they can sign into their own account and it automatically logs them out. Also, if you have like a vacation rental, it is huge because when your guests come over, they pick out their date that they check out, and it automatically sends them out of all their accounts. You don't have to worry about that sensitive information being left on it in case they forget or anything like that. It wipes it which is just a really cool feature setup for streaming nowadays. So overall, if you're in the market and you're looking to get a nice streaming device, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.